Today we are celebrating the cake mixing ceremony at ISHM in collaboration with the SIZZLE. So all the ingredients has been made mixing preparation.
Merry Christmas!
As the festive season has already arrived,
We are at ISHM collaborating with SIZZLE
and celebrating our cake mixing ceremony.
So just now we finish our cake mixing ceremonies, and all the fruits are soaked in the wine and champagnes, and with these fruits we start to make the cakes, and this all the cakes and goodies goes to the corporate sections, even in the orphanage and for the needy people. So